How to locate the printer pin on HP printers. The printer pin is a secure feature designed for HP printers to access embedded web server settings. This pin prevents unauthorized users from accessing or modifying printer settings. The pin location will differ depending on your printer model. Here are a few common areas where it can be located. For HP printers with an automatic document feeder, lift the lid up and locate the label near the toner cartridge to see the factory default credentials. The credentials include a username and the pin. For some printers, the label is located inside the printer cartridge access area in the front. To get to it, lower the printer cartridge access door and look for the label. Some printers have pin information located on a label on the back of the unit. Check the back of your printer to locate the label. For some older model printers, the label might be located on the bottom of the printer. Gently tilt the printer backwards on a flat surface to view the bottom of the printer. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.